This is how we do it. It's Friday night and I feel alright. The party's here on the west side, so I reach for my 40 and I turn it up. Designated driver got the keys to my truck. Hit the show cause I'm faded. Honey's in the street, yo Kevin, yeah we made it. It feels so good in my hood tonight. Summertime skirts and the guys that can knife. All the gangbangers forgot about the drive-by. Gotta get your groove on before you go get paid. So tip up your cups and throw your hands up. Let me hear the party say, I'm kinda buzzed and it's all because this is how we do it. South Central does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. To all my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. Let's flip the track, bring the whole school back. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. All the hands are in the air, and we're waving from here to there. If you're a OG Mac or a wannabe player, you see the hood been good to me ever since I was a lowercase G. But now I'm a big G. The girls see I got the money, dollar bill, y'all. If you were from where I'm from, then you would know. I gotta get mine in a big black truck. You can get yours in a 6'4". Whatever it is, the party's underway. So tip up your cups and throw your hands up. Let me hear the party say, I'm kinda buzzed and it's all because this is how we do it. South Central doesn't like nobody does. This is how we do it. So all my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. Never come back on an old school track. This is how we do it.